Hello friends, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back to another video of Intraday Express Smart Trading. In this channel, we analyze and discuss stocks and stock market on daily basis. We discuss their movements, we discuss how to trade and do some profits here. So I must thank you for being in my channel, for being with me till now. What I am suggested, I think 80-90% we have met our targets. So I think we are analyzing on a right way. So please follow my stocks, my analysis, and you can do some profits. You can do some income from stock market. You can also learn from my learning videos about stock market. If you are new to my channel, I must suggest first subscribe my channel so that you can watch all my new upcoming videos. If you are planning to open a Demat account on a discount brokerage firm, then you can find the links of Upstox and Sign in the description of this video. Please go there, click and open a Demat account. So now let's start the video. Let's go to chart and see the market of Friday. We are inside chart and you can see here closing of Friday market was flat, but if you see the chart, we have opened so much gap down. In Nifty we have opened a gap down of nearly 500 point, where in Bank Nifty we have opened nearly 1000 point gap down, but here we have recovered very well and we got a positive closing here. So if you see the Nifty, as we have discussed here, it's a resistance zone and we are very close to the resistance zone here. In Friday closing, it's very near to the resistance zone. So after 3 days of holiday, Monday market will be very crucial because we are in the resistance zone. So please very careful at Monday market. Now let's see where we can trade in Nifty. So Monday market बहुत ही क्रूशियल होगा क्योंकि हम रेजिस्टेंस के पास हैं, तो या तो हम रेजिस्टेंस को ब्रेक करके यहाँ पे ऊपर आ सकते हैं या फिर इसको फेस करके इसको टेस्ट करके हम दोबारा नीचे भी आ सकते हैं. सो दिस आर द लेवल्स फॉर मंडे मार्केट. इन द फ्राइडे वी हैव क्लोज्ड at 9973. Next resistance, you know it, 10158. Okay, so above 10160 we can go for buying and our target will be 10237, where if we test and pull back we can go for short sell at 9837 and we will have a target 9685. Please mark these levels on your chart so that you can trade easily in Monday market. Now let's go to Bank Nifty and we will see what are the levels in Bank Nifty for Monday. So after 1000 points of gap down, we have recovered very well here, but we are moving towards the resistance. So Friday market closed at 20655. For Monday you can buy at 21092. Your target will be 21530, and if Bank Nifty falls again, then you can go for short sell at 20309. Your target will be 20050. So mark these levels on your chart and trade carefully. Now let's go to slide and check out what are the stocks I have selected for Friday market. So we are in the slide and welcome back. For Friday market, our first stock was Titan, where our buying price 956, our target was 959 and 966. Selling price was 952, target 948 and 942. Our second stock was Tech Mahindra. Its buying price was 575, target 580 and 584, where its selling price was 571, target 566 and 560. Here our third stock and it was Concor. Its buying price was 392, target 395 and 399, where its selling price was 388. Our target was 382 and 379. Now let's go to chart and let's check out the performance of these three stocks here. So first stock was Titan with Nifty. Titan also was opening at very gap down. Its opening was at 920. So here our entry levels are marked, okay, buying and selling side, and we have got the entry level here at 955. Our target was 965 and 970. So you can see we got here our first target and our buying level is marked here. Our entry level was marked here. So these are our entry levels at buying side and selling side. buying side here at 955. Our target was 959 and 966. So here we got a high of 964, but our target was 966. So second target didn't come here, but we have our first target 959. So we got here 4 points. After that stocks moved down, and here we have got another chance for buying, and here we can see the stocks moves up to 985. So in this place we got around 30 point. So in the stock total point was 34, but let's take total point was 30. Okay, now let's go to second stock. So our second stock was Tech Mahindra. In Tech Mahindra both the levels are marked here, buying and selling, and with the market its opening was very gap down and it didn't come to our entry zone, so we have no chance to enter here. So in this stock there is no profit and no loss. Now let's go to third stock, and our third stock was Concor. Now you can see here its opening, and it's also very gap down. Its opening was near 369 here. Okay, our buying level was 391 and selling level was 387. So here we got an entry at the selling side, and our target was 382 and 379. So you can see here this stocks moves up to 381 and we got our first target. So here we got 5 point. After that stock moves upward and we got an entry here, and at buying side our target was 395 and 399. So this stock moves up to 398, and here we are short of just 1 point for our second target. So we got our first target at 395, and here in the buying side we got 4 point. So total point of the stock was 9. Okay, so if we are talking about day total, we got around 40 point in the full day session in our 3 stocks. So 40 points into 500 shares. So you have got here. So we have got here a huge profit, and you also can have this profit if you follow my analysis and follow my stocks. So please follow my stocks and you will have the profits like this in everyday market. So now let's check out some stock for Monday session. So for Monday our first stock is Chola Finance. If you see the daily stock of Chola Finance, this is a psychological level where we have tested many times and we have go down. So here we are testing last 3 days and we cannot move up, and all the areas you can see we cannot cross the resistance. So in the Monday market if we cross the resistance, you can see here a green candle, and if we test again and pull back, you can see here a red candle. So we have our opportunity at both the areas, at buying or selling side, and we will see it on your slide, and we see it on our slide. Now let's go to second stock. Our second stock for Monday market is Zee Entertainment Limited, and you can see here is a psychological level where the stock test and went in a downtrend. So here we have tested again, and in the Monday market it will be crucial. If we cross this resistance, we can see a green candle, a upward direction like here, and we have test and pull back again. We can see a red candle here like in these areas. So be careful in the Monday market. Trade in our levels. So best level we will see in the slide. Now let's go to third stock. Our third stock is HCL Tech. So we are at the upper circuit zone of HCL Tech. So there is a chance for downtrend here because we have tested so many times here regularly, but we cannot cross this resistance. So here we can see a pullback here in Monday, and we can see a red candle here. So please be careful and trade on the right levels. So the best level we will see in the slide. So let's go to slide and check out the entry, exit and SL levels for the stocks for Monday market. So for Monday market, our first stock is Chola Finance. Its last trading price is 160. We will go for buying at 161. Our target will be 159 and target 164 and 167. Selling entry level is 158, SL 160, target 154 and 150. Our second stock for Monday, it's GIL. So in GIL, last trading price is 168, buy above 170, stop loss 168, target 173 and 176. Selling entry level is 166, SL 168, target 162 and 159. Let's go to our third stock, and our third stock is HCL Tech. Its last trading price is 571, our buying price is 573, stop loss 571 and target 578 and 582. Where our selling level is 568, SL 571, target 562 and 559. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थे हमारे 3 स्टॉक निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी में एंट्री पॉइंट्स, एग्जिट पॉइंट, एसएल। मंडे मार्केट बहुत ही क्रूशियल होगा क्योंकि हम 3 दिन का हॉलीडे के बाद मंडे मार्केट में एंट्री करेंगे। तो इस क्रूशियल टाइम में लेवल्स का ध्यान रखें। जो लेवल्स मैंने प्रोवाइड किया है उस पर एंट्री करें। आपको प्रॉफिट, आपको इनकम 100% होगा। तो वीडियो कैसे लगा कमेंट करके बताइए। अच्छा लगा तो लाइक और शेयर जरूर कर सकते हैं। मेरे साथ टेलीग्राम पे जुड़ सकते हैं। सो आज के वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। कल मैं आपसे दोबारा मिलूंगा कुछ नए स्टॉक के साथ। तब तक स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे सेफ। थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।